Subscribe to Foreign Admits for latest study abroad videos and press the bell icon to keep to you guys updated.
The TOEFL IBT Special Home Edition test is available to those who meet the following criteria. So the first criteria is the test is offered in your country or location. Second is test is available everywhere that TOEFL IBT testing is normally available, with the exception of mainland China and Iran. The third is your computer must meet the equipment requirements for the test, including the installation of the ETS test browser and the Procurator system check. Fourth is you must have a room that provides an acceptable environment for the test. So, please follow the step below in order to ensure that you meet the requirements and properly register for the test. Use the at-home preparation checklist to help guide you through these steps. So there are 5 main steps for TOEFL IBT Special Home Edition testing. So the first one is equipment and environment requirement. Second is start your registration with ETS. Third is complete your registration with Procurator. Fourth is the testing experience. And the last, fifth is after the test. So let's talk about the equipment and environment requirements. Be sure that your computer and testing room meet the following requirements before you register for the TOEFL IBT Special Home Edition test. If you don't, you will not be able to take the test. So the first we will see the equipments, okay? So the first equipment is computer. Computer must be a desktop or a laptop computer, not a tablet or phone device. Must use Windows operating system version 10, 8 or 7. Cannot use iOS operating system. Can use Mac computer with Windows installed. Must use Chrome or Firefox browser. Download and install the ETS test browser on the computer you will use for the test. To fully install the browser, you must run the exe file from downloading it. If you receive an error message, please follow this troubleshooting step. Run the Procurator system, check from the computer you will use for the test. The second is speaker. Must use an internal or external speaker to hear the Procurator. Headset or earphones are not allowed. Third is microphone. Must use an internal or external microphone that is not a part of headset to communicate with the Procurator. Fourth is camera. Camera can be a built-in camera in the computer or a separate webcam. Camera must be able to be moved to show the Procurator a 360-degree view of the room, including your tabletop surface before the test. So now let's talk about the environment and testing space. So the first one is privacy. You must be alone in a room with no one else entering during the test. Testing in a public space such as park, internet, cafe or any restaurant is not allowed. Second is tabletop and sitting. Your computer and keyboard must be on a desk or other tabletop surface. The tabletop and surrounding area must be clear of all items not approved for use during the test. You must sit in a standard chair. You must not sit or lie on a bed, couch or other stuffed chair. Food and drink are not allowed during the test. The third is clothing and appearance. Your ears must remain visible throughout the test, not covered by hair, a hat, or other items. You must be dressed appropriately for your test. You will be monitored via camera by the procurator, and your photo will be shared with instructions that received from your score. Avoid wearing such items as jewelry, tie clip, bracelet, headband, other hair accessory. And the fourth is note taking material. You may not be take notes on regular paper for security purpose. You may take notes using one of the following: whiteboard with erasable marker, paper with transparent sheet, and erasable marker. You will be asked to erase all notes in view of the procurator at the end of the test. If all these criteria are met, you can register for your at-home test appointment. That's all about the equipment and environment requirements. In the next video, we will see the registration with ETS. So stay tuned for the next video. And for now, if you have any queries regarding higher education, feel free to visit the website of Foreign Admits, foreignadmits.com. Also, download the one-stop solution to connect to the mentors of your dream university. Yes, now available on Play Store. Go ahead and search with the name Foreign Admits and download that app. After registration, you will get a free call from mentor. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and download the app. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.